Yeah, this is a 4:1 multiplexer. So two select lines are there. So how many are the possible combinations? Times 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Right? So the output would be represented by D note, D1, D2, and D3. Okay. So that means if we'll select 0, 0, then the output would be D note. If we'll select 0, 1, then the output would be D1, like so, right? If we'll mark the expression for this, then what would be the expression? It's S1 bar, S note bar, and D note, right? Similarly, plus S1 bar, S naught, D1, plus S1, S naught bar, plus S1 S naught. Now you can draw the logic circuit based on, right?